The iOX all-in-one outdoor kitchen system is the ultimate companion for anyone who loves cooking outdoors. This innovative setup turns any camping trip, picnic, or tailgate into a complete kitchen experience. Compact yet powerful, it combines all your essential cooking tools into one easy-to-carry unit. With built-in space for a stove, utensils, and storage, iOX makes preparing meals in nature effortless and enjoyable. Its durable, high-quality design can handle outdoor conditions with ease, while its foldable structure allows quick setup and easy packing. Whether you're grilling by the lake, cooking breakfast at a campsite, or sharing meals with friends on the road, iOX keeps everything organized and ready to use. Badger Extreme. The Badger Extreme is an off-road camper trailer built for people who love exploring the outdoors in comfort and style. Designed to handle rough and challenging terrains, it's tough on the outside but cozy on the inside. One of its coolest features is the expandable design. The roof and side walls fold out to create a surprisingly spacious interior that feels much larger than its compact 15.7-foot size. Inside, you get everything you need for a comfortable trip, including a fully equipped kitchen with a dual-burner stove, fridge, and sink with both hot and cold water. The seating area easily converts into a comfortable bed, offering a great night's rest after a long day of adventure. The base model sleeps 2 people, but you can add an optional tent for extra space if needed. Whether you're camping in the mountains, exploring off-road trails, or spending a weekend in the wilderness, the Badger Extreme gives you a home-like experience on the go. It's durable, functional, and packed with smart features that make outdoor living easier, turning every trip into a fun and stress-free adventure. CampStream One. The CampStream One is a smart and innovative camping device that lets you use your electric vehicle to heat, cool, and dehumidify your tent with ease. Designed for Tesla Model 3, Model Y, and Rivian R1T or R1S, this clever system makes outdoor comfort effortless. Simply connect the window unit to your car's dashboard vent, attach the hose to your tent, and you're ready to go. Once it's set up, you can control the temperature and fan speed directly from your EV's app, allowing you to relax in a perfectly comfortable environment no matter the weather outside. The CampStream One doesn't just manage heat and cold. It also removes excess moisture, helping to keep your tent dry and fresh even in humid climates. This means no more waking up to damp sleeping bags or sticky air. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it's the perfect blend of convenience and innovation for modern campers. Whether you're on a road trip or deep in nature, the CampStream One makes your tent feel like a cozy, climate-controlled retreat. Priced around $499, it's the ultimate upgrade for anyone who loves camping in comfort. Darch Streamliner. The Darchi Streamliner is a modern, lightweight rooftop tent built for those who love quick adventures without the hassle. Its sleek, low-profile clamshell design allows for super fast setup and pack down, so you can spend less time preparing and more time exploring. Weighing just 69 kilograms, it's easy to mount, transport, and handle, making it ideal for campers who value portability. Despite its compact build, it offers plenty of space for 2 people to sleep comfortably. The tent is made from durable 280 GSM ripstop polycotton canvas, providing excellent protection from wind, rain, and sun. Inside, a thick 50mm memory foam mattress and an anti-condensation mat ensure a cozy and dry night's rest, even in challenging weather. The Streamliner also includes built-in LED lights and multiple ventilation points, keeping the interior bright, cool, and breathable. Goal Zero Skylight. The Goal Zero Skylight is a bright and reliable portable light made for every kind of outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping, having a backyard barbecue, or working late at a job site, this powerful light keeps everything clearly visible. It produces up to 6,000 lumens of warm 3250K light, which feels softer and more natural than typical harsh work lights. You can easily adjust its height from 4 to 12 feet, giving you a wide lighting range that covers up to 300 feet. With 4 brightness levels, you can set the perfect lighting for any situation, from cozy camp nights to bright work setups. When plugged into the Yeti 1000X power station, it can run up to 250 hours on the lowest setting. Even without external power, its built-in battery provides up to 8 hours of light on low. King Camp Murano 180. The King Camp Murano 180 is a super cozy and practical outdoor poncho blanket made for people who love adventure. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just relaxing outside, this blanket keeps you warm and comfortable in any weather. It's made from durable, high-quality materials that protect you from wind and cold, while still feeling soft and lightweight. The built-in hood gives extra warmth to your head and neck, and its large size wraps you completely, making it perfect for chilly nights around the campfire. What makes it special is its versatility. You can wear it as a poncho, use it as a blanket to sit on, or even spread it out as a ground sheet. It's easy to pack, quick to dry, and compact enough to carry anywhere. The Murano 180 isn't just another camping item. It's your all-in-one comfort companion for every outdoor adventure. Climaloft Sleeping Pad. The Climaloft Sleeping Pad is designed to give you a comfortable night's sleep no matter where your adventure takes you. It combines the softness of foam with the support of air chambers, creating a sleeping surface that feels just like your bed at home. This hybrid design keeps your body balanced and cushioned, so you wake up fresh and relaxed instead of sore and stiff. It's lightweight and packs down small, making it perfect for camping, backpacking, or any outdoor trip where space matters. Built from strong, durable materials, it's tough enough to handle rough terrain and resist punctures, ensuring long-lasting performance. The Climaloft is also super easy to set up and pack away, thanks to its quick inflation and deflation system. The Minibig is an amazing amphibious trailer built for adventure lovers who want to explore both land and water with ease. This compact and lightweight trailer is easy to tow with most vehicles, making it perfect for road trips, camping, and outdoor fun. Once you reach your destination, the real magic begins. The Minibig can smoothly drive into the water and transform into a fully functional boat within moments. It's powered by a reliable motor and designed with a strong, stable hull that ensures a smooth and safe ride on lakes, rivers, or coastal waters. Its clever design allows you to enjoy both off-road travel and water adventures without needing separate equipment. Whether you're heading to a lakeside campsite or cruising through calm waves, the Minibig makes every trip exciting and effortless. It's the perfect combination of convenience, innovation, and adventure, giving travelers a whole new way to explore nature. With pricing that typically starts at an affordable range, the Minibig is not just a trailer. It's a lifestyle choice for those who love freedom, exploration, and fun on every journey. Nash Tackle Heated Blanket. The Nash Tackle Heated Blanket is the ultimate solution for staying warm and cozy during cold outdoor adventures. Designed especially for campers, anglers, and outdoor lovers, this smart blanket combines comfort, technology, and portability. It features built-in heating elements that spread warmth evenly, so you can stay toasty even on freezing nights. Powered by a rechargeable USB connection or power bank, it's super convenient and easy to use anywhere. No need for bulky gear or electricity. The blanket is made from soft, high-quality materials that feel great on the skin while also being durable and weather-resistant. With adjustable heat settings, you can choose the perfect level of warmth to suit your comfort. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to pack, making it ideal for fishing trips, camping, or simply relaxing outdoors. The Nash Tackle heated blanket ensures you never have to shiver in your tent or by the lake again. It's not just a blanket, it's your personal heat companion for all outdoor adventures, keeping you comfortable, relaxed, and ready for whatever nature throws your way. The Opus OP4 is an amazing inflatable camper trailer that brings luxury and adventure together for families and outdoor enthusiasts. Built by Opus Camper, it sets up in just minutes using its smart air inflation system. No poles or tools needed, so you can spend more time relaxing and exploring. Inside, it offers two cozy double beds that can convert into a king size, plus comfortable leatherette seating and plenty of space for everyone. The fully equipped outdoor kitchen lets you cook delicious meals in nature, and the inflatable annex adds extra room for lounging or storage. Designed for tough adventures, the OP4 features a strong, galvanized steel chassis, heavy-duty suspension, and durable all-terrain tires that handle rough roads with ease. It also includes safety essentials like a stabilizer system and a breakaway brake for smooth towing. Whether you're heading off-grid or to a peaceful campsite, the Opus OP4 delivers unmatched comfort, convenience, and durability. The posable tent is a clever and portable shelter made especially for pets, giving them a safe and cozy space during any outdoor trip. Priced around $300, it's perfect for camping, hiking, picnics, or road adventures where your furry companion needs their own comfort zone. Made from durable and weather-resistant materials, it keeps pets protected from sun, wind, and rain. The tent includes breathable mesh windows that allow fresh air to flow through, keeping your pet cool and relaxed even on warm days. It also has a zippered entry, making it easy to open and close while ensuring your pet stays secure inside. Despite being sturdy, the pausable tent is lightweight, easy to carry, and quick to set up anywhere you go. It's designed for ultimate convenience, ideal for pet owners who love traveling with their animals. Whether you're camping in the woods, relaxing at the beach, or enjoying a family picnic, this tent provides your pets a personal spot to rest, relax, and feel at home outdoors. The pausable tent combines comfort, protection, and style, turning every adventure into a happy experience for both you and your pet. Raptor XC. The Raptor XC is a next-generation flying machine built to push the limits of speed, design, and innovation. This hybrid aircraft combines advanced aerodynamics with powerful electric propulsion, offering an unmatched flying experience. With its sleek and futuristic look, the Raptor XC can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for both urban and off-grid environments. It's designed for smooth, quiet, and energy-efficient flights, reducing noise and emissions while delivering incredible performance. The aircraft's lightweight body and smart control systems ensure agility, stability, and safety even at high speeds. Inside, it's equipped with modern navigation tech that allows pilots to fly effortlessly with precision and control. Whether it's for personal transport, adventure travel, or short business flights, the Raptor XC promises a new era of flying freedom. It represents the perfect balance between luxury, power, and sustainability, showing how the future of aviation will be smarter, cleaner, and more connected. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution in air mobility that's changing how we imagine the skies. The Weber Traveler Grill is your perfect outdoor cooking partner, made for people who love good food and adventure. Whether you're camping in the wild, tailgating before a big game, or enjoying a picnic at the park, this compact gas grill makes cooking on the go easy and fun. It's designed to fold and unfold quickly without hassle, and its sturdy build ensures it stays steady while you grill. Despite being portable, it offers a large 260 square inch cooking surface. big enough to cook up to 15 burgers at once, making it great for families and groups. The grill features durable porcelain enameled cast iron grates that retain heat beautifully and give your food those perfect sear marks. Dual stainless steel burners deliver even heat distribution, so everything cooks just right every time. Zippo Firefast Bellows. The Zippo Firefast Bellows is a must-have tool for anyone who loves camping, grilling, or relaxing by the fireplace. It helps you start fires quickly and safely without getting too close to the flames. With its rugged and durable design, this handy device pushes a strong and controlled stream of air directly into your fire, helping it ignite faster and burn stronger. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold and easy to use, even with one hand. It's lightweight and compact, so you can pack it in your camping bag, store it with your barbecue gear, or keep it handy at home.